Welcome to this 𝗍𝗵𝗏 tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore how to create an animated graphic using Canva. For the demonstration, I'll walk you through building a simple but effective graphic like the one you see here. Start on your Canva home screen. In the row of icons, you will want to click Video. After clicking the video icon, Canva will give you several options and formats for creating videos. For this example, I'll select a plain landscape video. Once your document is open, begin by designing the base of your graphic. For this example, I'll be using a gradient background. After looking through the examples, I decided on a red gradient background. After selecting, I can refine it further by clicking Add a New Color to adjust the gradient exactly as I want it. Next, you will want to go to the Elements tab and search something like Black Overlay. Click the Video section of your results and choose the best overlay for your design. Fit it to the screen, adjust the transparency, and customize the colors as needed. Now let's add the graphics you want to animate. You can either upload your own files or search Canva's elements for new ones. For example, medical equipment graphics. In this demonstration, I used pre-saved graphics. After finding the chosen elements you want to use, you can place them on the canvas and adjust their colors to match your theme. Following that, we'll want to go to the text icon in the left-hand sidebar and add any text you want to include. For this design, I'll add the phrase, "preventing heart disease." You can style your text by changing the color, font, line spacing, or size until it looks the way you want. To create more depth, I'll add shadows. First, I'll apply the lift effect to the text at 100% intensity. Then I'll edit the heart graphic, scroll to shadows, and add a glow effect. Here, I can adjust the size and intensity of the shadows blur. Finally, I'll lower the transparency of the heart rate graphic for extra layering. With the base ready, it's time to animate. Select your text, and in the top bar, you will want to click the Animate button. Canva offers both AI-powered custom animations and preset options. For text only, Canva provides a section of suggested text animations. You'll also see the full library of general animations you can use on any element. For this animation, I chose the suggested Ascend animation. After applying it, you are able to adjust the speed at which the animation occurs. When you decide on the speed that is the right fit, you can press the play button below the canvas to test it. Repeat the same process for each of your graphics. Select each element, click Animate, and test different options. For the Stanford logo, I used Rise and slowed it down slightly. For the heart graphic, I chose Pulse, then I lowered the speed so the effect looked more natural. Lastly, for the heart rate line, I applied the wipe animation and adjusted its timing until it felt smooth. You can preview the whole sequence and fine-tune the speeds until everything looks right. For example, in this demonstration, I went back a few times and changed the heart rate line and the speed at which it occurred. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. You will want to click Share in the top right corner of Canva. Canva automatically sets the file as an MP4 video, which is the right format for animated graphics. Adjust the quality if needed, and then click Download. Once it's finished, you can view your animated graphic in full. That concludes our walkthrough of creating an animated graphic in Canva. Animated graphics are an effective way to capture attention, highlight key messages, and add visual impacts to your presentations or social media posts. We hope this tutorial has given you the tools to create designs that are both engaging and professional. Thank you for watching this 𝗍𝗵𝗏 tutorial.